so bossy, and I so saucy, and my clothes.
What is up, guys? It's your girl Nurse Johnson, back here with another video today. And today I have an exciting video because it has something to do with my prom. So as you can see by the title of this video, I got my hair today, or ordered from Nadula company, not the one off of AliExpress. I've ordered from the actual website. So I'm gonna do my video a little bit different than others. Most people, they just show you like how long it is, but I'm like gonna put it, like actually show y'all how it looks from my nape, black people how you say it, kitchen to down, and then I'm gonna show you back. So it comes in a package like this. It comes from the United States Postal Service, USPS service. So I just got it. I ordered this on Tuesday and it is Friday, so it took what, 3 days to come in. That is really good for shipping, for free shipping. Yes. So I got it in this, and I'm going to go ahead and open it. It's a little tough. Whoa. Oh, okay, Nadula, okay. And I'm all done up. Well, not done up, but this romper I have on because it just came from our senior picnic. It was senior skip day. So, you know, I was gonna do a video, but I honestly forgot. So okay, so this is the box it comes in. Nadula, 100% virgin hair. Own Nadula hair. Enjoy natural beauty. Yes. So on this part of the box, it has their information, like their YouTube, Instagram, and whatever that is. So I'm so excited to open it. So I had ordered, oh, what did I order? I ordered two 26s, a 24, and a 22. So I got 4 bundles, and I'm also getting a frontal, but not okay. The lady who's doing my hair, who's doing the frontal installation of all of it, she told me to get 3 bundles, but I wanted to get 4 just in case, like just in case. You never know. And also, if I end up putting the weave in myself, like later during the summer or whatever, because I don't know how to do frontals, I don't know how to do regular sewings. And the 4 bundles, I think it will really be better. So I got my information right here. Can't see my address, but yeah. It says it comes with a comb, then 2 26s, a 24, 22, total bundles 5. I guess they meant like comb, total items, I guess they meant. So in the bag, ooh, I forgot, it said I get a free brush. I get a weave brush. Best believe this is gonna be my prom bag. Best believe, okay, that's gonna be me prom night. Okay, baby. And then they give me some free eyelashes. These are kind of cute. These are cute. They don't look like caterpillars. So I like that. I like the more natural look stuff. Now to the best part. To the hair. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So I'm guessing these are the 26s. Okay, so yeah, it says it right here at the bottom of the bag. 26 right here. So this is the 26. This is also, this is 24. This is also the 26. Here's my 24. And then here is my 22. Right? Yeah, my 22. So I'm going to take one of the 26 inches out. Y'all, I really got 26 inches of hair. This is crazy. So it comes in this baggie though. And I know a lot of weaves come in like in nets and stuff. So I like how this comes in a bag. Oh, I didn't see the rubber band to keep the hair in place. Oh, this feels good. Sick now. Oh my, this hair is so soft. Bless the Lord. Oh my God, this hair is so soft. Like, it just feels good on my skin. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me stop playing. So I'm gonna back up a little bit. So this is for my nape. This is the 26. This is it, the body wave. I got the body wave. So now I'm running through my fingers through it. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's so full too. Oh my goodness. So now having it straight, it's like to my butt. Okay, so let's do it from the back. It's like this long. Oh, y'all know I'm gonna be popping for prom. Oh, I'm gonna be popping for prom. Let me try to get a little bit closer. Alright. And then it's like down on my butt. Literally. And I was gonna order, ooh, sorry. And I was gonna order the 28. You know how really long that would have been? This hair is beautiful. Like, this is some really good quality hair. I mean, they have like little flyaways, like right here. It's the brush. They have little flyaways right here, like as you're brushing it out. But I really don't care. The hair is so soft. The body wave is beautiful. It's so beautiful. I probably will. I'm not gonna dye it for prom. I was gonna dye it, but I don't really want to because I don't want to mess up the pattern. Like, that's my fear, of messing up the pattern of the hair. So that's that. I'm gonna put that back in here. Oh, let me give y'all a closer view again of the front. I didn't give y'all a little closer view. So that's that. My waist starts here. So this is it in its natural body wave state. And so this is my waist right here. And then pulling it down, it goes past my waist, starting at like mid bikini line. So that is that. Nadula hair, I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh. And if you love like the weave smell, it smells so good. It smells so good. So honestly, are there any instructions to it? Let me see. There's like no shedding though. Forgot to say that. There's like no shedding. Okay, I got one little strand. But from like the first 8,000 times I combed. Sorry, I got really interrupted. But from like the 8,000 times I put my fingers through it, it's like there was like no shedding. So this is like really good quality hair, I think. So I don't know if I should wash the hair first before I get it installed and have it like air dry. You know what I'm saying? So the lady who I'm going to, she's providing my frontal for me. I don't even know what the rubber band is. She's providing my frontal for me. So yeah. But I love how the bag tells you what inch you get. Like, that's amazing. I love that. So, but yeah, these are all the bundles. So my two 26s, my 24, and my 22. The longest hair I've ever had is like a 18 inches. And I'm at 26. So that's a big difference. So when I get it installed, yeah. But yeah, I'm having the lady doing my hair. She's gonna provide the frontal for me because what was it? Because I seen her Instagram and I was just like her frontals, and I don't like, they look so natural looking, and I didn't want to trust a website, and I don't really know what they look like. I've been on YouTube 24/7 stuff like that trying to find frontals. I'm like, I'd rather just have a lady do it and provide it. So, and she's providing me a 20-inch frontal. So the weaves, okay, this weave, since it's their first anniversary, since April 10th, I got a 10% discount. It was on their website. So I got a 10% discount. The 3 days before, I think like maybe the 8th through the 9th, I mean the 7th through the 9th or something like that, they had 8% off. So I just waited for the 10% off. And it was originally, for these 4 bundles, it was originally like $221 or something like that, and I got it for $199 something with the 10% off. So that was good. And then I got the brush with it and the lashes. So I really like that. Let me see. Let me open this brush. This brush is so cute. Oh my gosh. I've never had a real weave brush. Like, this is it. So you see how it says Nadula.com, first anniversary, April 1st, 2017. April 1st. April 10th, 2017. So this is what it looks like. I really like it. I'm totally going to put this to use. Like 100%. I'm gonna really see the difference between like a bristle brush and like a weave brush. I'm pretty sure there's a difference. Like, I'm pretty sure there is. And then I'm not gonna open eyelashes. That's whatever. Put that back. But yes, guys, that is my review for the Nadula hair. And of course, I'm going to... I just bit myself. Of course, I'm going to show y'all how it looks when I get it installed. And that's 2 weeks from now. Exactly 2 weeks from now. I'm getting it installed that Friday. I mean, that Saturday. On the 28th. So, but yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very informational for you guys. And if you guys enjoy, go ahead and like this video. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Alright guys, bye.